This is the second video from Unit 1, Lesson 4, which is about proportions. We're now going to look at some proportions that are in some word problems. A drawing of a rectangular room is given below. The scale in the drawing is 2 inches to 7 feet. What are the dimensions of the actual room? Okay, if you're given a scale in a problem, then this is one of your ratios. So I have 2 inches to 7 feet. Sometimes it's helpful to label to the side. I'm going to have to do 2 proportions because there are 2 dimensions that I have to find. I have to find the length and the width. So this is the scale drawing. So let's say if I start with the 11 inches, I need to put 11 on top because that's where inches go. And I want to see what that actually is in feet. 2x equals 77. Divide by 2. And I get x equals 38.5. And that is feet. Okay, I want to do the same thing for the length. Instead of 11, I'm going to use 25. And the process of solving is the same. I get 2x equals 25 times 7. 175, and divide by 2. We get 87.5 feet. Okay, usually you see dimensions written like this. So you'll see it written like 38.5 feet by 87.5 feet. So with that little times sign meaning by, those would be the actual dimensions of the room based on our scale and our scale drawing. Okay, let's look at another one. So this starts off by saying triangle ABC is similar to triangle MNO. Then I'm given the length of AB is 11, the length of BC is 33. Find the length of MN if the length of NO is 27. So we need to draw a picture here. Don't worry about drawing these to scale, just draw 2 triangles that look similar. Label your first one ABC. Now it matters where you put M and O, so make sure that M corresponds to A, so M has to be in the same position that A is, N has to be in the same position that B is, and O has to be in the same position that C is. Okay, so the length of AB is 11, so I'm going to go ahead and mark that. The length of BC is 33. I'll mark that too. Find the length of MN. So find the length means that's a variable, that's x. If the length of NO is 27. So I should be able to set up a proportion now. So M and O would be the smaller triangle since 27 is smaller than 33. So if I do 33 over 27. I know I did the big triangle over the small triangle, or I did ABC over MNO. Those are two corresponding sides, so I put those together. And then I need 11 and x. The ABC goes on top, so 11. And then x on the bottom. We will cross multiply. So we get 33x equals 11 times 27, which is 297. Divide by 33. We get x equals 9. So MN equals 9. Okay. We have one more example to do. So this is more about similar triangles. Jenna uses similar triangles to find the height of a tree. A stick that is 3 feet tall casts a shadow that is 2 feet long. If the shadow of the tree is 18 feet long, how tall is the tree? Okay, so we have our stick that is 3 feet tall, and it casts a shadow, so here's our shadow, that is 2 feet long. So makes this triangle. The shadow of a tree is 18 feet long. Okay, so there's my tree. Here's its shadow. Okay. How tall is the tree? So I want to know this piece here. All right, so my corresponding sides that are given would be 2 and 18. So if I do 2 over 18, that's the stick over the tree. So then I have to do 3 over x, stick over the tree again. Cross multiply, 2 times x is 2x, 18 times 3 is 54, divide by 2, x equals 27, so the tree is 27 feet. Now you're ready to do Unit 1, Assignment 6.